Hello everyone. Today in this video we are going to see how to use the sketch constraint in a new sketch environment. So let's go into the sketch. If you see, we have all of the sketch constraints available in this floating tab. Before starting any sketch, you must make sure this create persistence relation and display persistence relations are turned on. So let them turn on. These options are very critical and very useful when you constrain a sketch because it shows all of the constraints that you have applied on sketch. So let's take an example. Let's say we have these two lines, and here I want to make this point and this point to be coincident. So this is the first option we have, make coincident. Here in bracket you can see that X is its shortcut key. You can either use X to use that command, or you can directly come here and select that command. So it is asking us the motion curve. So this is the curve which is to be moved. I want to make this point to be coincident with this one. So it is asking us the stationary point. So this is the stationary point. If you see, the motion point has been moved from its initial position. This is how you can use the make coincident. Let's say if you want to make this line to be collinear with this one, so here we have this collinear option. You can use this collinear. So this is the line which is to be moved, and this is the line which is stationary. If you click apply, so this is how you can collinear this line with this horizontal. Let's say if you have random slant lines and want them to be vertical or horizontal. So how you can do, here you have this horizontal and vertical lines. Let's use this horizontal for this one. Select the line. So this is how you can make them horizontal. If you want to make this line vertical, so this is how you can make it vertical. There is one more use of this horizontal line. This horizontal command. Let's say if you have this line and you want this point and this line to be collinear. So how you can do? You can just go and use this make horizontal, select the point, and it is asking us the line. So I have selected this point. So this is how these 2 points are horizontal. Okay, so you can use this horizontal constraint in this way as well. Let's say you have a circle and want to make it tangent with any line. So you can use the tangent command. From here, select the motion curve. I want to move this circle, and the stationary curve it is asking. So let's say I want this curve to be stationary. From here, you can make them tangent. Let's say you have any random slant lines, okay, and want them to be parallel. So here we have this make parallel option. You can use this option to make the lines parallel to each other. Similarly, you can use perpendicular option as well. Let's say we have these two lines and you want these two lines to be perpendicular. So you can use this perpendicular option to make them perpendicular. We also have this symmetry option. Let's say if we have two lines, randomly slanted lines, and you want these two lines to be symmetric with this vertical, so you can use this symmetric option. It is asking us the motion curve, the curve that is to be moved, and stationary curve. This is the stationary curve, and it is asking us the symmetry line. So this is the symmetry line we have. So this is how you can use the symmetric option. So if you want to uh, align a line with the center point of second line, so you can use this midpoint align feature. So let's take these two lines. These are the perpendicular lines. I want to make this point to be aligned with this line's midpoint. So how you can do? You can just use this command. Select the point which is to be moved and which is to be aligned, and the line with which this point to be aligned. So if you select this line, so here you can see this point is aligned with this vertical line's midpoint. So that's it for this video. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.